Welcome everyone. Hope you all are good. Hope you have understand the previous PPT which I have prepared in this chapter, Our Country India. There I have covered some of the topics related to the country India. Now we will study about various physical features or physical divisions of the country India. As we have already studied, India is a country with vast geographical expanse. Now in this presentation I will discuss on the three physical divisions of India. These are the northern mountains, the northern plains, Great Indian Desert. This is the map of India showing its various physical divisions. Here you can see there is northern mountains, or we can say the Himalaya, there is the Great Indian Desert, there is the Plateau region, plain region, coastal region, etc. Before going to study about the first three physical divisions of India, let us know that the country India is divided into six main physical divisions. They are the northern mountains, the North Indian plains, Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal regions and islands. Here in this presentation, I will discuss the first three physical divisions of the country. In this slide, you can see the picture of northern mountains of India. The red color of the map shows the northern mountains of the country. These northern mountains are further divided into various types, which I will discuss in the next slide. So, the northern mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. Number one is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. It is the northern Himalayan range. Next come the middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the last one is the lower Himalaya or lesser Himalaya or Shivalik. All the ranges are different from each other. For example, in the first one, that means the Great Himalaya, it is the continuous loftiest range of Himalaya. World's highest peaks are located in this range. Next one is the middle Himalaya. It lies to the south of the northern Himalaya or the Himadri. Many popular hill stations are located here. For example, Darjeeling, Manali, Shimla, etc. Then last one is the Shivalik, which is located in the south of the middle Himalaya and is almost continuous range of low hills. Next important physical division of India is the North Indian Plains. Here in this map of India, you can see the orange portion shows the extension of the North Indian Plains. Okay, then North Indian Plains, it lies to the south of northern mountains. From the name itself, we can understand that North Indian plains are flat and level. They are formed by the deposits of three main rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Indus, along with their tributaries. So northern plains, as it is a plain area and as it is formed by the alluvial deposits of the river, it is very fertile and is good for cultivation. For that reason, the plain area is very much populated. The third physical division of the country is the Great Indian Desert. It is also called as Thar Desert. It is located in the western side of the country. In this map, you can easily find out where is the Great Indian Desert located. As we already know that in desert region the temperature is very high. There the rainfall is also scanty or less, and there the cultivation is not good. For that reason the population is very less in desert region. In the same case, in Great Indian Desert, it is what? It is a dry, hot and sandy area. There the rainfall is less and hence there is little vegetation. So the Great Indian Desert, it lies to the west of the country and it is also known as Third Desert. Hope you